So lovely good morning, guys. What are we doing today? We're actually going to Cars and Coffee right now. I've never been to Cars and Coffee before, so I'm a bit nervous about that. Not nervous, but excited. And then later in the afternoon, I think we might slide the G80 a little bit. And yeah, because it's gonna rain, so maybe we can do some street drifting here in beautiful, beautiful Palm Beach. Servus.
Hi. In 900 Meter.
Hey, thank you. Thanks. Thanks, Sugar Mommy.
Danke.
So, we need to find where Griff is parking because David is not coming to Cars and Coffee. He's gonna join us later. He said, fuck Cars and Coffee. I don't know. Looks actually pretty nice. Some nice cars here. Euer Driftkart. Oh, we found a parking spot. And we also found Griff.
What up, dog?
Perfect.
Hi. What's going on?
This is way bigger than I expected it to be honest.
Probably 1,000 cars.
Okay, since I don't know what to film, I'm just gonna give you some small highlights of this Cars and Coffee.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, it actually is insane. It looks fucking fast.
Parachute.
You got a parachute? Oh yeah, baby.
My god, it's taller than you.
What the fuck is Henry Ford doing at the meet?
We don't know.
Oh. Man, what the fuck? What's Mad Max doing here? Is that a Supra? Evo! Yay! What's he doing with an Evo in Florida though?
There's nowhere to drive it.
Yeah.
Fast street.
Hey, nice truck, man. Love your truck, man. It's way too hot to do this shit. Oh, yeah. Oh no, the puppy got scared. This thing is street legal in America. This is street legal in America. This is street legal in America. This is street legal in America.
That's street legal in America.
That is street legal in America. You can't tell me that that's street legal.
It's on air. That's street legal in America.
What the fuck?
Twin turbos.
What the fuck? You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. Man, what the fuck? How do you get into it? Can you show me how you get into it?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh.
That looks like a lot of work.
Keep you young.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You would probably get a blood poisoning if you walk past this too close. Do a burnout!
So this was in NASA.
This was in NASA.
Yeah, so when they put the rocket together back in the 60s,
Oh, they took it to the moon.
this was, yeah, I don't know about that. But
I have no fucking idea what it is. Your shoelace is open.
Oh.
Yeah. No problem. That's actually pretty sick as well. street legal, I guess.
Yeah. Made in America, baby.
Can you pay for my lemonade? Thank you, Sugam. Alright, yeah, so we're leaving the car show now. Actually pretty nice, I enjoyed it. Gonna grab something to eat now, and then late in the afternoon I hope it's going to rain so we can slide around a little bit on the streets. But yeah, we will see. Yesterday it was supposed to rain, but it didn't rain, so I hope today might be the day. Yeah, so we took a nice shower because I was sweating like a pig at the car show. We're meeting up with David now because it's starting to rain, I think, if I look down this direction. Which means it's time to do some slidey stuff with the M3. And yeah. So actually, what the fuck? I wanted it to rain, but not this fucking hard. Like, what the hell is going on? Man.
Without the rain.
That's right. Oh my god, it is fucking raining. You can't see anything in front.
Pretty good.
You feel how it's shaking the whole car. I don't know why it does that, but it's annoying. Look how she's looking.
You like it?
Yeah, it was nice. Nice, man. Yeah, man. Good. Not very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice.